What's going on, YouTube? Got this thing out here playing around with it. BasherQueen Kraton XL. We can keep a damn dog bone in it anyway. This thing's a beast, yo. Beast mode, boys. Whoop. That thing's a beast. Old BLX motor in it, y'all. Full BasherQueen build, bulkheads and all. Full BasherQueen build. Oh, all right, y'all. That's gonna do it for this one. Full BasherQueen build, M2C chassis, BasherQueen body mounts, BasherQueen bulkheads, BasherQueen shock towers, BasherQueen servo or ESC mount, servo saver mounts, center braces, steering, BasherQueen servos. That servo saver force thing of hers, that's in there. That'd be hers too. Yep, ARRMA skins. Check them out, y'all. Amazing. Keep your chassis looking wonderful. But that's gonna do it. Old BLX motor, max 8. Beast, guys. Real light, super. This thing's a beast. 3DRC, can't forget them. All right, that's gonna do it for this one. You ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. Peace out, y'all.